grihastha is also a big responsibility.
Being a grihastha is also a big responsibility.
গৃহস্থ হওয়াটাও অনেক বড় একটা দায়িত্ব।
The husband has to see the wife, family, Krishna conscious.
The husband have to see the wife and the husband being Krishna conscious.
পতিকে তার পত্নীকে দেখাশোনা করতে হয় এবং পতিকে নিজেকেও কৃষ্ণ ভাবনাময় হতে হয়।
And the wife needs to see that her husband stays Krishna conscious.
The wife needs to see that the husband stays Krishna conscious.
এবং পত্নীকেও দেখতে হয় যেন পতি কৃষ্ণ ভাবনাময় থাকেন।
And children are Krishna conscious.
Also children are Krishna conscious.
এবং সন্তানেরাও যেন কৃষ্ণ ভাবনাময় থাকে।
It's a big responsibility.
It's a big responsibility.
এটি এক সুমহান দায়িত্ব।